There are two things you need in order to make a moist, tender, juicy chicken breast. One of them is the right pan. You want a pan that heats up evenly, holds its temperature, and has really nicely sloped sides so the moisture can evaporate and you get a good sear.
And I love our Anolon Advanced Home Skillet, which is non-stick on the inside and the outside for easy cleanup, but not on the bottom so it doesn't slide around the stovetop.
The second thing you need to ensure that your chicken breast is not dry is an instant read meat thermometer. You need to insert it 1 inch into the meat and go horizontally. We all know that boneless, skinless chicken breasts make a fast, easy weeknight meal.
But we're going to take ours to the next level with a squeeze of lemon, some crumbled feta, and fresh oregano. Ooh, that looks good.
All right, let's eat.